Please welcome Shu Yong from ThunderSoft. Yes.
Yeah, hello everyone. Thanks for coming. My name is Shu Yong. I'm working for ThunderSoft. ThunderSoft actually we has been working on AI for recent years. So because of the time, the limitation of time, I will ignore the introduction of ThunderSoft. We will focus on the AI market and technology and some specific use case inside of AI. Actually, we are facing the current status of the massive world of AI. There are lots of chip vendors that provide some SDK. I mean the AI inference engine. Like Qualcomm has SNPE, HiSilicon also their own SDK, and there are lots of framework, AI framework and AI neural network model, such as Cafe 2, TensorFlow. This is more popular. So actually, for example, if we want to, if you have an application running on Qualcomm platform SNPE, if you want to port to another platform, I think it is very hard because it is the platform dependent. So even though Qualcomm already have the neural network conversion tool to help you do this kind of conversion, it's still hard for developers. Actually, we want an open standard that can cover this kind of gaps. Just in the previous session, like ARM, we can provide this kind of layer to connect between the AI framework and the computing library. Actually, for ThunderSoft, actually, we don't care about this kind of AI framework and computer library because this is what like Qualcomm and Google do. So where are we living now in the complexity AI ecosystem? Actually, you know there are lots of algorithm provider and there are lots of neural processor provider. They also have some hardware module provider. Actually, what we need to do is that we need to combine some modules together and provide an end-to-end or end-to-cloud solution to solve the real problems. So we define our solution. This is the basic our solution architecture. Just as I mentioned, Qualcomm already provided the SDK based on SNPE, hardware acceleration unit, and we are focusing on the implementation of algorithm. We are focusing on the AI application. So we provide like face recognition or some tracking algorithm to our customer. On top of this kind of solution architecture, we have a lot of things we can do, like AI algorithm development and AI algorithm optimization and training. We also provide the AI compute module, such as the Qualcomm SDM845, 660, we also provide the solution for industrial, like smart retail and smart manufacturer. We also provide some separate algorithms. This kind of algorithms, all of them are based on Qualcomm platform. Actually, the SNPE and the GPU enabling is supported, like object detection and dishes recognition, calorie calculators, and face recognition. All of them are based on Qualcomm SNPE and APU. We also provide this AI solution, especially in the industrial, such as power line pole inspection and LCD display inspection and X-ray inspection for industrial and kickshop self-checkout for consumer market. I will give 3 examples to help you get a better understanding of our AI application. The first is AI Kit. Why we need AI Kit? Actually, AI Kit can be used for many areas, like smart robot, smart car, smart factory, and smart retail, because this AI Kit have powerful hardware capability and rich software functionalities. Okay, let's take a look at the hardware and software specification. This AI Kit is based on Qualcomm's SDM845, which is a high-end processor with powerful deep learning capabilities. We provide Android and Linux operating system support, SNPE computing library already integrated into our platform, and we also put some default applications into the system. There is another amazing thing is that we provide an AI tool, which is a web-based AI programming interface. Actually, it is very easy for developer to do AI programming, whatever you have strong AI knowledge or not. Here is about the potential market competitor. You can see the computing performance. Actually, we have much faster than the other two. We also have some contacts and activities around the AI Kit. If you want to get more information, you can access www.45smart.com, get more information. I will give you 3 use cases about how to use our kit to build your solution. The first is about home surveillance solution. Actually, you use ThunderCom AI Kit and AWS Kinesis video streaming. You can do the pet monitor or baby monitor or some stranger detection. The second is about smart retail solution. Actually, you can use our kit to analyze the people traffic heat map to optimize the placement of goods. And you also use this AI kit to do the face detection and recognition. You also can use it, our AI core algorithm, to do a lot of related face recognition and detection. You also can duplicate this kind of solution to another retail market. The third is about industrial inspection solution. Actually, there are lots of requirements from the industrial the industrial trait is that adaptive self-learning vision inspection system to meet the segmented requirement, and AI technology can increase speed, accuracy, and consistency of detect identification. I will give you some details about the inspection solution because currently we have some projects about this industrial inspection. Actually, what is the Thunder Vision inspection? Thunder Vision inspection is based on machine learning, deep learning algorithm, and we use some image processing and other computing vision technology to build our machine vision inspection application. This is the basic intelligent vision inspection working principle. There are two steps. The first is training step. Actually, we get some normal image or anomaly image, and we can make the deep learning network model by training this kind of data. And then we put some image into this kind of deep learning network model. We can get we can identify the image which is okay, which is not okay. Compared to the traditional machine vision, actually there are lots of advantages because it is a self-learning system. We can use the different stage, like study some simple features, and study the complicated features, and make some training classifier to get the correct output. This is the core algorithm. The first step is detect classification, and the two step is the defect detection and segmentation, and the third step is anomaly defect detection. This is about how to implement this kind of solution. The first step is collect a few simple images and put them to the cloud or server and training and do the verification. And then we download the algorithm and some training data to the product line. So we can use the training data and our inspection algorithm to do the inspection. This is the basic our system technology architecture. Actually, there are also two layers. The low layer is based on the image processing and inspection algorithm. The up layer is about the data training, image training. We can create a deep learning training network model and use this model to put some data, and then we get the correct output. The last one is about face SDK. Actually, in the market, there are a lot of SDK provided by algorithm provider or some other providers. Our SDK, this is our SDK's basic architecture. Actually, this SDK is a high-performance middleware adapter layer based on Qualcomm platform. Yeah, we provide a lot of capabilities such as the face detection and the face recognition, age and gender, emotion detection, and eyes blink, and so on. This is about the SDK's internal structure. Actually, the face SDK is the interface to face APP. The face engine is responsible for the algorithm scheduling and the thread management and user management. And the buffer management take charge of the buffer queue management, including the buffer creation and destroy. The user management take charge of the user and the face library management, loading and destroy. Actually, the most important component is algorithm context. Actually, algorithm context manage the algorithm environment and some middle results and data passing. Algorithm context exists in the whole life cycle of the algorithm. And another part is algorithm wrapper. Algorithm wrapper build the unified algorithm interface by encapsulating different algorithms. You will get a unified interface. You don't care about the low level, the implementation of low level. The last part is AI engine wrapper and the platform adaptation. Actually, we provide Android and Linux support, so we provide CMake and NDK to do the compilation. We also provide the platform independent interface for app layer. This is an example about how to use our SDK to do the face image. Actually, you can take a look at this code. The first step, we did a new face image and set the model path, and then we get some model, features. And if you want to use this feature, if you want to use face recognition, you can pass some parameter to the low-level implementation. Okay, this is all about today's presentation. Thank you for your time. Any question?
I have one question about your AI kit. So the CPU is Qualcomm 845, right?
Yeah, it's 845.
Okay, so is it public available now for purchasing or usage?
Actually, currently the hardware is already, hardware and software already, but I'm not sure whether you can buy from our website. You can access www.45iot.com. But actually, we have a context during September. If you get the, if you join the context, maybe you have opportunity to get this kind of
Okay, great.
kit.
Got it. Thank you. Yeah.
You had the slide with the link.
Yeah.
Can you go back to the slide with the link? Yes.
I only have the context link.
Yeah, at the beginning there was one slide with the link to the contest.
Yeah, this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Take a picture
Yeah.
and submit. Okay.
Okay.
Any other question?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.